So first of all, you open the Binance app. So here's my Binance app over here. And here you can find home, market, trades, futures, wallet. So first of all, you need to log in, and this one is already logging. So my one, I have already logged in here. So here you can find BNB slash BUSD, BTC slash BUSD, and ETS slash BUSD. So here you can see gainers have gained a lot in 24 hours. So this one is losers who have lost a lot in 24 hours. So green market and red market over here. So for the Binance future, you just need to click here, Binance futures. So you can choose the coin which one you want to trade for in Binance future. So for now, let me do BNB. Okay. So here you can find here at first. You can check here cross or isolated. So if you confirm here, you can confirm one of these. So cross means you can trade more than what amount you have inserted there, and isolated is amount that is fixed. Isolated is fixed amount. So here you can choose your leverage, how much you want to put. You can put up to 75x. So this means that the liquidation risks also increase and risk level all increase. So if your prediction is okay, you will get like 59 times. You can leverage this how much you want to. If you put 20 times, then you will win. You will get 20 times money, 30 times, 45 times, how much you want to do. So I don't want too much risk, so I do like 20x leverage and confirm it. Okay, and this is single assets, multi assets mode. Here, so here you want to buy, so buy first. This is limit. Okay, so here limit means limited amount in the market price, post only, market, stop limit. So here I think the best is stop limit. Okay, so stop limit can, anyway, you can see here the explains. You can go through this explanation. So for now I'll choose stop limit, because stop limit stops your loss amount. You can put the market value where you want to stop it. So here I have kept the stop limit and loss. So here put your, so right now here it's trading at 547.36. Okay, so how much you want to stop at? So I would like to stop it at 542. So at which amount you want to buy? So I want to buy it, let's say I want to buy in 546. Okay, so you can choose BNB or USDT for the pairing. So I'll choose USDT here. So what amount you want to trade? So I want to trade 20 USDT. So here buy long. So I buy BNB is paid with USDT. So you can do confirm buy over here. So here I don't have insufficient margin, so cannot buy here. So but year one it will place order, so you must have value here. And now you want to sell that price, so sell also same, you can put stop limit. So last how much you want to sell at, so you of course want to sell at higher price, right? To get profit you must sell at higher price, so you can put suppose it's 547 here, so you can put 550 over here. Okay, so how much you want to trade here? I want to trade at 20 here also, so you can do sell short. So it says confirm sale, so your stop price is 550, amount 20, price 547, so confirm sale. So here I don't have insufficient money, so it's saying social margin. So here if you put this, then the buy order also created and your sell order also created. So if the price goes is high, you will get the money. If your price goes is low, you will lose the money, all the total money. And we have the stop limit also, so you stop limit helps you to loss, stop limit helps you to limit your loss amount, and that's all.